Whether you use your F-150 for work or off-road action, one of the best ways to protect your investment is in a bull bar. Lund provides a great looking option that not only helps you get through brush and any other obstacles on the trail with ease, but a high-powered LED light bar that ensures safety long after the sun has set. Beginning the assembly of the light bar to the bull bar, attach the washers and screws to each end of the light bar. Slide the light bar onto the back side of the bull bar into its designated slots with the washers on the outside of the tabs. Then tighten down each screw to hold the light bar into place. Our truck is equipped with tow hooks and rubber boots. These need to be removed to install the bull bar, so we cut the bottom of the rubber boot to access the two bolts in the frame. Completely remove the frontmost bolt, but only loosen the rear bolt just slightly. Then the hook will push back and drop out of the truck. Also pull the rubber boot out of the bumper. After each of the tow hooks and boots are removed, grab the new brackets labeled D for driver and P for passenger and slide them over the rear bolt. Then replace the front bolt into the frame. They can be loosely tightened down at this time. The second bracket can also be loosely attached to the first bracket. We will tighten it down once the bull bar is on and it can be aligned to our liking. Its placement can be arranged in or out from the front of the truck. Now that the brackets are ready, we can mate the bull bar to the truck. The bracket faceplate attaches to the bull bar with the two bolts on each side. Once the bracket is tight to the bull bar, raise it to your desired height and fully tighten the frame brackets on each side. As for the wiring of the light bar, Lund does not provide a switch. You will have to run your own wiring into the cab or wherever else you choose, then add your own switch.